Hello everyone, in this video I will give you the best ring light for making YouTube videos and it will be in the budget so everyone can afford it. So let's start this video. So here is the ring light which I have bought, Digitek DRL18HC. So I have purchased it around 30 November 2025, so almost 5 months. So I am using it for my YouTube videos. It is good for making tutorials with the videos and entertainment videos also. I have been using it on my other YouTube channel where I teach tutorials. I also on this channel also at tutorials and also for horror videos I am using. You can see here for this is for tutorials. It is good. I am using the yellow light. It has few options. You can do it to full yellow and you can do it to white and you can do it to blue. So I mostly use it for yellow. And you can see this is for my horror channel. Here also I use for yellow. The yellow gives the horror atmosphere which I need for my videos. So you can adjust accordingly. Here I will show you. See, this is the white light and this is blue and this is yellow. So this DRL18HC comes with the stand. So if you want DRL18H, it will not come with the stand. So I will highly recommend you to go with DRL18HC. The affiliate link will be in the description. You can buy from there and it will not cost you more. It will cost you almost same, but it will give me some commission to run this YouTube channel. So you can buy from there, okay? Link will be in the description, okay? So this comes with the stand. You can see the height of the stand here. You can make it taller and you can also move the light according to your needs, okay? So there are its size is almost 18 inch, okay? 18 inch. The ring light also come in the smaller version. You can buy the smaller version also. But I will not recommend you to buy the smaller version. In the past, I have bought the smaller version. It cost very cheap. I think it was 400 rupees or 800 rupees. I have bought the cheaper one. And it was completely useless. You will get better results on your home light, or you will open the windows, you will get better result than the smaller one. So it is the best. It is the waste of money. So if you are planning to buy the ring light, I will highly recommend you to go with this one, 18-inch one, cause I have bought it and I am using it. So yeah, this one will be good if you are purchasing your first lighting for YouTube videos and you want to make educational videos on YouTube like tutorials or talking like this advice video or whether entertainment horror videos. It will be perfectly good. Yeah, so the links will be in the description and I will see you in my next video.